Guys, stop. Hi, guys.
Now, just before it falls, I'm gonna go back on.
No.
I'm just going to keep recording because I've got loads of memory.
Yeah, same, but it'll take ages to get to the good part.
Well, that just fell.
Whoa!
That's fine. And, oh wait, well,
I'm gonna play again.
yeah, going,
Going.
going.
Why isn't it falling yet?
Everybody, let's sing happy birthday to Marco Fry!
Happy birthday! Has no friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Someone.
Has no friend.
Oh no.
Happy birthday to you. Not hooray!
No.
No!
Clap, 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 clap. Happy birthday, it is a special day. Happy birthday, and loads of bonfire away.
This was so boring.
Oh,
Yeah, it sort of did something.
Oh,
The thing snapped.
oh wait, no, it hasn't gone down yet.
I have to admit that was cool.
Oh!
Shit.
Wait, somebody's throwing stones at it. That's more. It makes it so cool, though. Yeah.
And your sister and Stuart are going to get killed. Yeah, Stuart's t-shirt's about to go on fire.
Stuart, you're gonna die!
Sparks when your t-shirt.
David, get out of the way.
Oh, oh. No.
Come on, fall!
Oh, God. Fall.
Get out of the way, whoever's standing in the way of me. Hit the exact same place as you just hit.
Try and hit the stick if you can.
Whoa! Try not to make the centerpiece
Shit.
fall.
No, try to, because then it'll fall
No,
over.
because the stock hasn't burnt yet.
Ah, yeah, that's right.
Wait, guys! Throw that the big thing on!
Shit.
Throw the big thing on wood on!
Go on, over there.
Gonna fall! Just throw it in!
If there's any left, throw in some more fire lighters.
Put it on, Liam! Liam! Oh, Mark! Put it in! Put it on sideways! Sideways, you...
Jesus.
You're gonna crickle yourself! We were gonna put an aerosol can in it.
Yeah, no.
But then I threw it in the water. Then I realized
I have like a pretty much empty can of Link, so I couldn't throw that on.
There we go! Get out of the way, that bread or jam, whatever.
I just got a sparkler.
Here, David, move!
I just got a sparkler.
There's nothing to record anymore.
I already know.
Can you turn it off?
Uh,
Can you just
I'm
pause
gonna
in case
do it
something
at
good
4.
happens?
Actually, yeah.